How to fix Instagram story quality. So in this video guys, I will share with you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. So just watch this video till the end. So let's start. Now and first, go and open the settings of your phone. And after this, go directly to apps. And here, as you see, we found all your application. Search here only for Instagram. And here go to storage now and go to the last button, clear that. Then click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last things is to go into Play Store and update it your Instagram. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel and see you in another videos.